Martxoak 14 da, larun bata, eta ezoiko egoera honek jarraitzen da, ez? Etxian gare, etxetik lanian, eta nahiko neban pare bat gauza esatean nire ikasliei. Alde batetik, YouTubeko nire kanalean tutorialak jarraitzen zabizten ikasliak, eskertzia zuei, eskerrak emotia, nire kanaleko informazioa eta elkarbanatzen zabizte, eta ikusten da, hori, suskribidu zatenan kopurua, iruko iztu indala, etxetik lanian gabizen aste hontan, iruko iztu inda, nire kanaleko suskritorien kopurua. I would like to thank you all, to say many thanks to all my students that you are working online, you are working at home, you are sending me all your works, great butterflies, great coronavirus that you've been drawing and painting, and so thank you to all. Today is Saturday, it's 14th of March, and we are working at home. It's something strange. This morning I checked my email, and it was full of drawings, and the amount of subscribers of my YouTube channel is increasing highly. So thank you to all, and we will continue in touch. So keep in touch in the YouTube channel, and keep in touch by email. And I'm working in a project for next week, so I will tell the news on Monday. Okay. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I'm not going to do nothing at all on Sunday, but on Monday I will tell you what is going on and what will be the exercises that you will have to work at home. Okay? Thank you very much, and see you on Monday.